Today's video is brought to you in part by... Is that what they say? Brought to you in park or brought to you in part? I think it's part. Today's video is brought to you in part by Zosh. You want to trick out your helmet like this? Oh, you want all the race car baddies on your meat stick? Then what you need to get is your Zosh MFG windshield visor sticker banner thing for your helmet today. With the low price of $10, you can have your own helmet. Zosh the fuck out. Sometimes I lay in bed and pretend I'm racing cars because I know I won't do it on the track due to William Fisk. Okay. What's up, gang? For today's video, we got to do some installation stuff right there. I ordered these spoon style mirrors not too long ago. I think like a little over a week ago. Giving some unboxing treatment. No homo. So these are the mirrors that I will be putting on the Civic. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna throw off the wrap, but I'll probably just get these rewrapped, see if they'll rewrap them. Take their new bumper along with the lip, see if they'll just wrap this for me as well. But it kind of matches the roof. The roof is on fire. So, but I'll leave a link down in the description box below to where I got these mirrors from. So without further ado, let's get to installing this shit. Alright, so step one. In order to remove our factory mirror, we have to remove the door panel. And I think this gotta come loose. I can't even. Yep. Door panel gotta come off, and then from there we're able to disconnect the wiring harness for this to stop working for that. The unfortunate thing about this is once I put the spoon mirrors on, they're not powered, so I'd have to adjust manually, like I'm a boomer. So you have to remove this wire harness from this clip, which basically this plugs into that and this feeds to the back of the door card, and then it just goes in there. So once we get there, you have some 10mm bolts. I really believe we have to take this one out. Yeah, you gotta get your 10mm out. There's a 10 there, a 10 there. Correction, there are 3 nuts you have to remove. You see the hole where all that silly putty stuff look like crap is? Yeah, there's a nut underneath that. So there's a total of 3 nuts you have to remove in order to have this mirror come off the car. Okay, cool. Love you, bye. I think one of these has a nut, or I think both of them has a nut, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, son. So it's 3 bolts. It's really simple. Just remove your door panel. You have 3 bolts to remove, and then once you remove, here you go. It's pretty cool. All right, now let's assemble these spoon style mirrors and get to work. My apologies for not having a more, I guess, professional setup, but the mirror comes in 3 pieces. You have the mirror itself, then you have the base plate, and then you have this gasket or some sort. I don't know, something that goes onto the mirror and then onto that. I don't know, we'll figure it out. And we have a girlfriend who's not helping me. Alright, so I got the spoon sport style. This whole damn car is a style of something. But I got it installed. It's really simple, man. You got some screws that they give you in there. You just attach the base, and then from that, like right now, you want to attach the whatchamacallit gasket. So you want to attach your gasket that coordinates with complements the right side, and the gasket creates a seal obviously between the light and the door, and then you're good and Gucci. Morning, putos. The birds chirping, the car is skirching. You feel me? It is time to go to Cars and Coffee, Tanger Beach Outlets, and now it's not longer called Palm Beach Outlets anymore. Cars and Coffee Palm Beach, or I think What am I talking about? Got the car ready to roll, got the spoon mirrors on, the spork mirrors on. You guys are probably wondering, Zosh, how the why you keep putting replica parts on your car? Why don't you support the real companies? And a wise man named Randy once said,
the real companies don't support me.
nah, bro, I'm not dropping no 2 bands on no mirrors just so to have the same effect. Now, I know this might hurt my future endorsement deal with Spoon, I understand, but I ain't got 2 bands to drop on some damn mirrors, bro. I just ain't got it. But I do got $100 to spend on some mirrors. I do got that, you feel me? Granted, I ain't gonna make no return on investment on this video, but it's all good. Sometimes I just make sacrifices and my whole thing up just to maybe help somebody out there put mirrors on their car that they like. It is what it is. But anywho, Zosh FG race team, baby. You see that car right there? That's what we taking. I wish I was taking that one, but I ain't got no seat for the passenger side, so I gotta take my Civic, bruh. You see the NS flexing over there, you man? Bro, the field of view out of these mirrors is way better than OEM. Yeah, like, look at me talking about better, talking about Sean.
Because I don't know shit about cars, but I know that it looks
dude, it looks way, yeah.
And it feels better.
Yeah, for real. That's not bad. Remember, link down below in case you guys want your own set of spork mirrors.
Use code HANDSOME.
Don't give your government out there. Are you crazy, girl? Live at Cars and Coffee, parked up next to the homie driver. You know the vibe.
It's slow.
It is, bruh. So I need
a driver mount too. You got a good driver.
I need a.
How you gonna come here with birds before?
I don't give a. I ain't watching.
That looks like iguana shit.
Alright, sir.
A lizard just shit on your car. Is this Geico?
I need to do a review video on this car, or like a POV style driving video on this car. Legit SIR with C2816x8. I think tire size is what, 245? 225. Oh, these 225, 45. So beautiful, bro. Such a nice car. Cars and Coffee always reminds me that I need to just start selling drugs, honestly. They grew on me so much. Starting to really like these Evo 10s, man. They're such good cars. Oh, I like that steering wheel. They're such good cars, dude. Some might say that the 4B11 is better than the 4G63. This is nice though. I like the yellow. It's like in my car on Gran Turismo. Man just pulled up on me talking about if you want to drive a Type R, let JDM. I was like, hell yeah, you feel me? So this is it right here. Dang, I didn't know. I never seen this car.
You know?
Nah. That's awesome. You imported it? Well, obviously. Yeah, obviously. Nah, bro, it just came like this from factory. That's awesome. 17 inch, 17 by 7?
Yes, sir.
Yo, this is, bro, wow. With the Recaro, bro. I should have never got rid of my Type R cluster, dog. It was just too nice. This is dope, bro. Damn. Yeah, we gotta set something up. I think that'd be really cool. We got black excellence going on right now. Mad Squad Racing, Zosh, you know, the Yellow E-Ball show earlier. That's this man's right. He got a Type R. Bro, my dog living life, bro. We try to get him on the channel, you feel me? I gotta either make a trip down there, cause I'm pretty sure you guys got better roads than PSL.
Yeah, we do.
Cops don't really mess with y'all and stuff like that.
How about a road that we can't go on?
See, that's what I'm saying.
So, yeah.
This is so nice. So nice. Beside this clean car, I see a fish.
Oh, look, it's a big ass fish.
I never seen a fish swim out of water. Yeah, this shit's nice.
You see the fish in the camera?
Yeah, I see it, man.
Look at these Finding Nemo ass fishes. What up, dogs? Bro, this shit's nice, dude. This is nice, dude. Dude, this is nice, dude. Right-hand drive. Bro, this is so nice. This what I'm talking about, man. I see you peeking, girl. Oh, I see you. Oh, it's so nice, bro. I've been wanting a jab front Integra. That might be my thumbnail. What else, Jay? What else?
That coating is slow. That NOS, you need NOS in your cars.
Nah, I need the coating like you said, big dog.
You need that turbo in this.
I need the codeine, bruh.
Yeah, you do.
What up, fam?
Mercy.
I have no idea.
Mercy needs to get a faster car.
Oh man, I want a 400 dog.
Which one?
That's so nice. What black one?
The one right there.
Oh, that's a Prelude. Yeah, the black one under it. It need a spoiler, bro. All Evo 8s or 9s need spoilers. Super facts. What's up, fam? Back from Cars and Coffee. Now I'm on my way to the homie Grubb's place. Well, I can't say he's the homie. I never met the man, but it's Chris Moo. Y'all know Moo Shicey. That's his brother. So, I mean, it's automatically the homie. That's how we do it in Florida. If that's your homie, then his brother your homie too. You feel me? That's just how it is. I don't know, to be honest. But I'm getting the rear quarters rolled and maybe the front fin. No, I think I'm just getting rear quarters. Just getting the rear quarters rolled on the Civic. Duh, I'm driving it. So I think Randy's on his way over there as well. I think he's gonna get his quarters rolled too. Like, well, not rolled, we're getting them pulled. Not rolled, but pulled. So you can clear, not rub so much while still having beautiful fitment. Made it to the residence of Mr. Grubbs. Pulling the car into his garage. This is a nice garage. Yeah, this garage is nice, bruh. This is nice. Oh, so that's like a, oh, that's dope. Case swap. That's awesome. Mobile too. Rears are pulled. Everything clears. I can fit 265s if I want to. Oh, it looks so good, bro. It looks so good. Look at that. Can you guys even see that? I don't know if you guys can from my lens. Probably not. That thing looks freaking sweet. You can see it from right there. That's cool. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nonetheless, Grubbs came through. Well, I went through and he did his thing. I can fit 265/35 tires with a breeze. It's so nice to finally have. I cut out the part early in the video. I was like, oh, it'd be cool to run over fenders, but I don't think I'll ever need to run over fenders due to I don't think the Civic will ever see an aggressive fitment like an 18/10.5 or 18/10 with like plus 10 offs. I don't think I'll ever reach that level of aggression with specs and things, but the most I see myself doing is like 18/9.5 with a 265/35 tire. Fronts, I'll probably end up running like some J's fenders or maybe some J's reps fenders because I don't see myself spending, again, I don't see myself spending like all that money on fenders that's gonna get clapped, or if I don't see it on the race car. I don't know, maybe just because my pockets ain't deep, that's probably what it is. I don't know. But my fork mirrors are on. Link down in the description box, the location you want to buy. And while you're out shopping, make sure to stop by Zosh MFG. I got new shirts out, the Marauder Car Club shirts. I got socks, I got glasses. I'm trying to give y'all some quality stuff at an affordable price, man. Because I understand how it is to, you know what I mean? I understand, you feel me? So I try to at least come out of my pocket a little more and then, you know, not get so much back on my return on investment, but just in order to have
quality stuff and people take pride in them. When you purchase something from me, I want you to have that feel good feeling like, oh man, I'm helping him, you know, create more cool content for us, or at least try to, you know, just things that I don't know. I don't want to get into all that foolishness. Everything you need to know is linked down below, and that's gonna be wraps for this video. I'm still on a hunt for a passenger seat so I can do these ride along videos, and hopefully those go shaboom boom, and then yeah, all that stuff. So once that get situated, then we'll have some more Integra turbo stuff content on the channel. But until then, if I don't upload the next couple of days, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.